Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many users face with their shortcut key mappings. Imagine you're used to effortlessly copying, pasting, and cutting text using specific key combinations in Notepad++. However, out of the blue, these shortcuts stop working, leaving you scratching your head. Frustrating, right? Well, let's explore the solution to this pesky problem together. So the solution lies in a nifty workaround using AutoHotkey. By creating a script like the one provided, you can regain control over your desired key combinations. The script targets Notepad++ specifically, ensuring that when active, pressing Ctrl-Insert will mimic the copy function, Shift-Insert will act as paste, and Ctrl-Delete will execute the cut action. This ingenious solution breathes new life into your shortcut functionalities, resolving the mapping dilemma in a straightforward manner. Voila! In summary, tackling the issue of mapping multiple shortcuts to the same command in Notepad++ can be a head-scratcher. However, with the AutoHotkey workaround we explored, you can regain your desired key combinations effortlessly. Try out the provided script and watch as your copy, paste, and cut actions spring back to life. As we wrap up, remember to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy shortcutting!